Hello and welcome to day 3 of our phonics lessons for the week of April 27th, 2020. So we've already reviewed our high frequency words, prefixes, and now we're going to review some homophones this week. All right, so let's get started today. Remember, for our mini lesson, you will need a piece of paper and a writing utensil when you work on our phonics. We're going to review homophones. Remember, homophones are words that sound the same but mean something different. So we'll first look at your, Y-O-U-R. That's used to describe something that belongs to you. Like, that is your piece of paper. That is your dog. Now we're looking at Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. That also says your, but it's a contraction for the words you are. So when you're trying to figure out if you should use your or your, with the Y-O-U apostrophe R-E, try putting you are in its spot. If it works, then you'd use this your. If it doesn't work, then use the Y-O-U-R, because that's used to describe something that belongs to you. So let's move on. Got a couple sentence examples. So which your are we going to choose? Your sister's dance recital is tomorrow evening. Would that work if we said your sister's dance recital is tomorrow evening? No, that wouldn't work. So we know it's going to be Y-O-U-R. Your sister's dance recital is tomorrow evening. So then we know that we are correct. Number 2, your sis will meet you at the bus stop after school. Let's try putting you are in the spot. Your sis will meet you at the bus stop after school. That sure doesn't make sense. So we know it's Y-O-U-R. Your sis will meet you at the bus stop after school. Number 3, is that your blue crayon? Could we put you are in the spot? Is that you are blue crayon? No. So again, it's Y-O-U-R. Is that your blue crayon? The last one we have is, who is the best player on your baseball team? Who is the best player on your baseball team? Could we put you are in the spot? Who is the best player on your baseball team? No. So for all these examples, we used Y-O-U-R. So now for number 5, we are going to write one that needs you are. So your with the apostrophe R-E in it. I want you to think for a little bit. I'm going to pause it. And you are going to think of a sentence where you could say you are in it. And then I will write one as well. Hello, I am back, and I thought of one while you were working, and it was, you're my best friend. Because I could say you are my best friend if I wanted to, but I wanted to use your with the apostrophe R-E. You're my best friend. All right. Can you think of one more? Which one did you write? Okay, now we're going to move on to our next part of our assignment, and we are working on our your and your homophone page. Now, just like the others, I am having you practice, and then I'm having you check with the answer key. Again, this is kind of like an honesty check too. Are you going to practice your and your so you learn? Or are you going to just copy and not learn? Remember, the whole point of this practice is to learn, so in the future, you know what to do. So please be honest, answer the worksheet first, and then go back and check your answers. Again, you don't need to submit this to Schoology because your teachers know that you have the answers. This is for your practice, and so in the future, when you see the homophones your and your, you will know which your to use. All right, I hope you're having a great day. Bye.